Alright, so here's the header. Here's the new O2 bung. These ones got welded up. Here's the new gasket. This is the lower. Obviously these are the upper. And some new bolts. First things first, obviously take off this intake. I got one O2 out already. 4 more to go. I labeled them so you don't get them mixed up. This one's B1, S1, so bank 1, sensor 1. And this one's bank 1, sensor 2. Still got one more sensor to get, that's in the bottom. For right now, we'll start cracking these loose. These are 14 mil, a small 3/8 breaker bar, little small extension, deep 14. There should be a good 8 of them. So yeah, let's get those out. Move this to the side. You have to get the car jacked up so you can unbolt. Should be 3 of them. Alright, so we're on the bottom of the car now. As you can see, this is the bottom flange. Should be 3 bolts, one right here, one right there, and one on the other side. I have to grind some silicone off. Don't have to take that rear O2 out, because that's obviously connected to the Y pipe, not the header. I am running O2 spacers, 90-degree ones. I never had a cat code after I put those in. These cats are actually blown out. They're rattling bad. They're rattling bad, so that's another reason why. I got some headers. Or if your state requires smog, I definitely recommend you get a smog before you do this, because it's not gonna pass. Well, it will pass, but if they inspect it to look to see if there's cats down there, then you will fail. So keep that in mind. Tight one. All right, just one more bolt. Pull it back. Up and out. Here's the old one. Still got to get this O2 out. It was kind of hard to reach while it's in there. But yeah. Get those old gaskets off, because obviously mine were burnt out. They provide the same gaskets that were already on here, and I hate these they don't last. I hate these gaskets, so I did order an OEM gasket. It's a metal style, crush style gasket, so I'm just gonna put them on for now. Gasket should be here in a couple days. I'll just switch it out real quick. Alright, so I got the old gaskets off. Use this water wheel to clean it all up. It's pretty. You can see it's on there, it's thick. Stick that on there like so. That looks sick. Alright, so these two sensors that are right here are going to be too short where I relocated the bungs. I don't use these ones because I don't want a reading just out of one runner. I want it out of one, you know, each bank. This is bank 1, that's bank 2. How they have this is they have the O2's upper and lower ones just out of one runner. So you're just getting a reading out of one cylinder. You get what I'm saying? So I relocated it to the collectors, as you can see that one down there. I don't know if you could see that down there, but one of the O2s are in the collectors right here. And I did the same one to this one, and I just moved the lowers on the lower. So I bought these. I bought O2 extensions. Like 20 bucks for a pair. I only needed 2, so pretty much disconnect it here and connect your extensions so you can run them lower. Alright, so what I did is I put some heat tape around these O2s. As you can see, I zip tied everything up, all nice and tucked away. Yeah, everything fit nice. O2s are down there. Let's get to the bottom. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it is the connection for the Y pipe to the header. It is a little short. I figured I was gonna have this issue. I read up on this, and a lot of people have this issue. So obviously I work at an exhaust shop, so I'm just gonna extend it here somewhere. But I mean, it could reach. It reaches, but it's just like a lot of tension on the hangers, and stuff like that. So I don't want that. I don't want any issues. I mean, it's a pretty nice gap. Fit my fucking finger in there. So yeah, bolt it up. See, check the rest of the exhaust. See how it is. But yeah, it's a nice size gap. Got it all bolted up. Yeah, start up in the morning because obviously it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. They dirty, but they clean. Definitely gonna redo the center. I'm not feeling that. I'm not really feeling that cream. Pulled the exhaust in just a little bit. I mean, I don't know. Not too bad, not too bad. I do gotta take this wheel off and check why the fuck this thing is squealing so bad. These are brand new brakes and they're just squealing like they're just old. But yeah, man, this looks solid. Everything's nice and tight, bolted up. Just got to put this intake tube on and we're good to roll. Can't wait to hear it tomorrow. I like to take a nice shop rag with some like glass cleaner or Windex, whatever, and just pretty much wipe down the headers, take up all the fingerprints, because when you start it, it's going to leave all your fingerprints on there. I mean, it's going to get dirty and disgusting anyway, but I don't know, I guess I'm just picky with that type of stuff, and I'm used to doing it at work. So just get all the fingerprints off, and yeah, I'm pretty much done. This is the last thing I gotta put on. Is this simple? Get a start up in the morning, like I said, and yeah. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Like I said, I gotta get that wheel up real quick. Check the brakes, take the wheel off, check the brakes. Put the intake back on. Other than that, pretty happy. They fit pretty decent for some eBay headers, like I said. So here's the old ones. These are not even stock cats, these are aftermarket. Someone welded them in, so. And I think the heat shield was just rattling the whole time. I don't know, but whatever. I don't even care. Yeah.